Good girl, Zab. Good girl. Good girl. It's okay. She's having a fit. She's having a wobbler. You having a wobbler? You having a wobbler because I wiped your bum? Come here. Come on. Good girl. Sit. Good girl. Is that better? Cheeky? Cheeky girl. Right, come on in now. Come on. Come on, in. Calm down now. Calm down.